So I have got two packages from Amazon today for the Boxing Day. Let's see what's inside. One of them is a GoPro Hero 8 bundle, and another one I suspect is a headphone that I ordered. So yeah, this one is a Logitech G332 SE headphone, and then here is a case for the GoPro camera. So this is our Talisyn case, so it does not require you to remove the mounting from the camera, and it's a small case. You can put your GoPro along with its mount, and then just you can close it like this. So it would protect the lens and the body of the camera, but you don't need to remove everything from it. So it has an opening over here. It's a nice little case. And here is the headphone. So let's go ahead and open this one. It looks like this has already been opened. I'm not sure why, because I ordered a brand new unit, so I was expecting an unopened box, but let's see. The seals are still intact, so yeah, everything should be okay inside. Maybe it's just the box that is ripped here. Okay, so let's see what's in the other box. So here is the GoPro Hero 8 bundle that I ordered. So here it says on the box it's a special bundle. Again, on this bundle you can see the packaging is kind of ripped here. I'm not sure why it is, but it looks like they are doing it on purpose, maybe just to mark it somehow. Anyways, the packaging is unopened and it's very clean. Let's open this packaging and see what is inside. So on top there is the camera, which you can remove by simply removing this and then push it inside, and you can remove the camera like this. So here is the Hero 8 camera. And let's open this box. Some instruction manual and booklet, and there is the 32 GB SanDisk micro SD card in it. Then it comes with two batteries, so one battery is standard, and then it comes with one more extra battery with it. So original GoPro, two of the batteries are included with it. Then we have the USB-C cable for charging the camera, and we have one head mount. So let's open this one. So yeah, it's a genuine GoPro accessory, and it's really nice and soft material, like a rubber. So when you want to mount the camera on your forehead, then you can wear it on your head. Then the next item here is this small tripod. They call it GoPro Shorty, which can be extended a little bit up to 8 inches, and then you can also open the 3 legs at the bottom and when you want to place the camera on top. So it's a small neat little accessory. You can basically attach your camera here and then you can go around and make some videos with it. And the last thing is this mounting plate for the curved surface like a helmet. So here you can see the screw, you can unscrew from here. Like so, and then you can mount it on this one. So once you align everything, then you can screw this one in. So yeah, it makes a neat little setup for you to hold and go around and film the stuff. So I really like this bundle. It was a special holiday bundle for 2019 unboxing day. So the cost for this camera was $469 plus tax, so it came about $540 Canadian, and it included all the small little accessories with it. Only this case I bought separately, so let's put this case on the camera and see how does it look like. So once it has the Shorty grip on it, you can simply put the camera inside. You don't have to remove the grip, and then you can put it in your backpack so it can be stored away just like this. It's easy, just take it out and start filming. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you want to watch more content like this. Thank you very much.